show how you manage the second stage of labor. এইভাবে আসতে পারে অথবা এটা বলতে পারে now show how you going to deliver the baby. তাহলে দেখো কথা কিন্তু একই জিনিস ঘুরাই করলাম। একটা বললাম কি ম্যানেজমেন্ট অফ সেকেন্ড স্টেজ অফ লেবার। ট্রাস্ট মি, তোমরা অনেক সময় ওখানটায় গিয়ে বুঝো না ম্যাডাম তাহলে কি করবো। সেকেন্ড স্টেজ অফ লেবার মানেই যে তোমাকে ডেলিভারি করতে বলতেছে, তুমি বুঝতে পারতেছো না। কাজে কোয়েশ্চেনটা একটু খেয়াল করবো, একই কথা ঘুরে ফিরে আসবে। হ্যাঁ বলো। Explain how I am going to do. I will tell her that the fetal head is in the perineum, so I will help her to deliver the baby. I will check my logistic. I will prepare myself. I will position the patient. Then I will check is the bladder is empty or not. Then when the fetal head delivered, but we all know that the fetal head delivered by extension. But I will try to maintain flexion. I will try to maintain the flexion attitude so that there will be no tear and কি শুধু fetal head and the perineum দুটোই safe থাকবে. So when the fetal is delivered by extension, I will maintain the flexion attitude and I will give a perineal guard. আমরা sanitary pad দিয়ে আমরা perineal guard দিতে পারি. So before that I will do a pervaginal examination to check the cervical dilatation, station of the fetal head, membrane rupture or not, and is the episiotomy is needed or not. Because it is very important. So do you like to give the episiotomy routinely each patient? No. I will assess, I will individualize the patient. If the baby's head is large, on that case, I will give. Okay. So then what should I do? If I think no episiotomy is needed, when I will give the episiotomy? So I will infiltrate the perianal area. Infiltrate the perineal area with 0.5% lignocaine. Okay. আরেকটা জিনিস ভুল করে গেছি, বলো তো, কেউ বললো না। একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট জিনিস মিস করে গেছি, সেটা কি? Aseptic. Exactly. I will wash and wrap the perineal area after patient position. Okay. আচ্ছা, কারণ এটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট না, আমি ওয়াশ করব ওই 3 swab wash. এভাবে 3 swab wash, then I will wrap করব, then I will going to conduct the delivery. Okay. Now if the episiotomy is needed, I will infiltrate the perineal area with 0.5% lignocaine in a fan-shaped manner. Okay, in a fan-shaped manner. Fan-shaped manner, I will give the infiltration. And what is this? This is the episiotomy scissor. Did you see this thing? Instrument? Okay, this is the episiotomy scissor. Okay, you see? So this is very technically prepared. By this blunt end, it will not hurt the baby's head. Okay. Now, which direction you will give the episiotomy? Mediolateral. If I give the median episiotomy, what will happen? If I give the median, exactly, it will cause the 3rd degree or 4th degree perineal tear and anal sphincter injury. So we should not give, we should give mediolateral direction. Okay, mediolateral direction. Okay, then after giving the episiotomy, I will wait for the uterine contraction. So when there is uterine contraction, I will again maintain the flexion attitude, and in between the contraction, the fetal head will be delivered over 1 minute. Slowly over 1 minute. তার মানে fetal head যদি এইভাবে বের হয়ে আসে, হুট করে কি হতে পারে? কি হতে পারে? You see, here is the fetal head is under too much pressure, intra-abdominal pressure. If it is suddenly delivered, the fetal head has vein. That vein will rupture, and it will cause intraventricular hemorrhage. And this is one of the important cause of neonatal death. Okay, so you see, I think the normal vaginal delivery is much more dangerous than cesarean section. You know, because in cesarean section everything is under your control, but sometimes in vaginal delivery you can't manage these things, and if you can, it will cause so many things. Okay, so when the in between contraction I will deliver the fetal head over 1 minute, slowly over 1 minute. Then after delivery of the head, I will clean the mouth and nose, and I will check is there any cord around the neck. If there is cord around the neck, tightly I will clamp and cut. But if it is loosely, I will slip over the head. Then I will deliver the anterior shoulder by key. Downward the fetal head, and my hand should be যদি এইভাবে থাকে, যেদিকে মাথাটা এইভাবে ধরবো, এই over her ear দুই পাশে আমি হাত দিয়ে রেখেছি। ওকে, then I will deliver the anterior shoulder by downward traction. I will deliver the posterior shoulder by upward traction. Then I will grip the axilla or the chest and deliver the rest of the body by lateral flexion. Then I will keep the baby over the mother's abdomen. তোমরা কি করো আমি দেখো। ডেলিভারি করছো না? মাথা ধরেই পুরো বাচ্চা নিয়ে চলে আসো। একটা বাপকে বেশিরভাগ সবাই কেউ বাচ্চাটার এই জায়গাটা ধরে না। হবে এটা? হবে না। উপরে রাখতে হবে। I will keep my both hand over the baby's ear. I will give downward traction to deliver the anterior shoulder. I will give upward traction to deliver the posterior shoulder. Then I will put my hand over the under the axilla and over the chest to hold the baby and deliver the rest of the body by lateral flexion. Okay, why I mentioned this thing? You know, sometimes in this way the baby will fall down and there might be injury to the baby. Okay, and that's very important. Okay, so after the delivery is complete, then what we do, you all know that there is the placenta inside, right? So we will clamp the cord. Okay, I will clamp the cord near the perineum and cut and separate the baby, and baby will be resuscitated. Okay. See? So now, what is this portion? This is known as third instance of labor, right? Second instance of labor is over. So when you just going to describe the second instance of labor or demonstrate the mechanism of labor after delivery of the baby, you just mention, I will inform the mother, I will remove my all gloves and other logistic into the 0.5% chlorine solution, and then I will keep record everything. এই কয়েকটা কথা বললাম, and then I will thanks to the mother. এই কথাটা বলতে ভুলবা না, because it's a very tough job for the mother, and I think this is the toughest job of her life, right? You should give her thanks. Okay. So this is finish about the second instance of labor. Now I will tell you another scenario. এটা কি, the patient just delivered, you are in the labor room but placenta yet not delivered. Now show us how to deliver the placenta. দেখো খেয়াল করে এইভাবে একটা কথা বললো, আরেকটা বলে দিল তোমাকে ডিরেক্টলি show the active management of third stage of labor. মানে বুঝাতে পারছি ডিফারেন্সটা কি? একই জিনিস সিনারিওটা উল্টা মানে একটু ইয়ে করে দেখিয়ে দিল। তাহলে দেখো, after delivery of the baby, what will we do? I will check, is there any undiagnosed second fluid? If not, then I will give oxytocin 10 international unit IM.
Within 1 minute.
Within 1 minute or just after delivery. Okay. Then 10 international unit IM. এইটা তোমরা যেটা ভুল করো 10 international unit না বলে 10 মিলিগ্রাম বলো, IM না বলে IV বলো। তোমাদের ভুলগুলো আমি বলছি। So never ever 10 international unit IM, and this is a very important part. So এইটা ভুল করলে কিন্তু পুরো এই একটা ইয়েতে আমাদের যে চেকলিস্ট পাঠে না ইউনিভার্সিটি থেকে, এই একটা পয়েন্ট এত ইম্পর্টেন্ট যে এটাতে ইভেন আসলে 2 মার্কসও থাকে, কারণ দিস ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট পার্ট। সো এটা কিন্তু ভুল করলে চলবে না। আর বাকিগুলো ছোট ছোট 0.25 0.5 এরকম করে মার্কিং থাকে। আচ্ছা, সো then I will give 10 injection oxytocin 10 international unit IM. Then I will clamp the cord near the perineum. And now you just see here. Now I will deliver the placenta. You just look at my hand. Okay, this is my right hand. I will grip the cord, and by my left hand I put over the pubic symphysis, and my pressure will be একটা ধাক্কা দিতে কি করে খাতায় লাইক কি করে
শাহরুখ শাহরুখ
না আমি অনেকক্ষণ ধরে দেখছি। ওকে, তাহলে I will by my left hand I will give upward pressure towards the mother's face. Okay, and I will deliver the placenta by control cord traction. So what is control cord traction? By my right hand I hold the cord and I will keep the control cord traction, but by left hand I will give upward pressure to prevent inversion of uterus. You must say this word. I will give upward traction to prevent inversion of uterus. Okay, so I will prevent inversion. When the most of the placenta is separated and it comes down into the vagina, I will hold the placenta and membrane by my 2 hands and deliver the placenta by twisting manner. And I will keep the placenta into a
Placenta examine করব।
Then I will give uterine massage. Then I will check the placenta. আগেই তাহলে placenta check না আগে uterine massage টা করব। Check the placenta check কিভাবে করব? In a fan shape manner. There will be some membrane. So I will check. This is the maternal surface. There will be so many small cotyledon, and if there is a missing cotyledon, that must be inside the uterus. So you have to be cautious. So I will check the cotyledon and membrane if they are missing or not. Then I will give uterine massage. And for uterine massage, how long? For the first 2 hours. এটা এইভাবে বলতে হবে। For the first 2 hours, 15 minutes interval. So first 2 hours, 15 minutes interval. Next 1 hour, half hourly. That means 30 minutes interval. তাহলে 3 hours চলে গেল। And for subsequent 3 hours, it will be hourly. Hourly for next 3 hours. So total 6 hours. Because this 6 hours, there is a chances of postpartum hemorrhage. So I have to do this way. So after complete the third stage of labor, I will again, thanks to the mother, I will keep my all the logistic in 0.5% pronunciation. I will write down everything into my record book. Then I will, okay. So এই যে থার্ড স্টেজ আর সেকেন্ড স্টেজ, এখান থেকে কারো কোনো কনফিউশন